Same story really in the other indices. So the NQ needs to prove itself by taking out this 71.99 followed by 72.91 to prove we're on the way up here in the B wave. And even after that, I'm expecting, even though I've got the bullish counts on the charts, I'm still expecting another swing down, which is going to be, if it's a C wave in a wave 2 position, it will be fairly vicious and have everyone believing that we're about to tank. Now, what I'm going to be on the lookout for in all the indices, we get up here for this B wave. If we get a 5 wave move down complete that then holds a retrace and takes out its low, just get out of its way. It means we're going into a 3 of 3 down, the top's in, and that will be the tell. Okay, so we need the retrace and see what it hits, then look at the structure and the subwaves as we come down, and that should give us a very early warning if the market's about to collapse on us. But either which way, strong suggestion is going to be take profits on everything up here anyway, because what we don't want to do is wake up to an enormous gap down, which is what one often sees at the beginning of a third wave. So cautionary. And again, the same thing in the WAM, exactly the same pattern, exactly the same situation as the other indices this morning. We're getting all this chop off the low here. We need to clear 25,659 followed by 25,829 to prove that we are in the B wave back up. And that doesn't leave a lot of room up to the targets. I wouldn't trade this move up on a swing basis. We just intraday trade it as best we can safely, and then see what it gives us as we start to come down again.